Hi, my name's Andrew, I'm an IT lawyer. I have been working with international crypto projects since 2017. In this video, I would like to talk about such a trend in the cryptocurrency market today as NFT and its legal aspects. I'm very interested in the legal aspects of NFT, and it is not only because I'm a lawyer. It is also essential for me as a crypto enthusiast and a businessman. After all, the economic value of such a transaction involving NFT, your benefit depends on how your rights to the art object or other content that you purchased in the form of NFT are protected. Let's go in order. First, the author who created some art object has exclusive rights to it. It means that only he has the right to dispose of it as he wants. The author can transfer his exclusive rights to another person. For example, he can allow someone to publish his art object, or he can allow to use it and pay him a royalty, or he can just sell it for fee. Suppose someone uses an intellectual property object without the author's permission. In that case, the author can go to court to seek compensation and get an injunction. So what does this all mean? First, it means that when you buy an NFT, it doesn't mean that you automatically acquire any rights to its content. NFT, in fact, is just code, a smart contract that contains link to an art object or video content or whatever that is stored on some server. For example, suppose the token seller is not the object's creator. In that case, the actual creator has the right to demand from you to stop using the object. Compensate him the lost profits, so what you have already earned or could have earned through this creation, or go to court to protect his rights. Maybe an NFT marketplace will somehow resolve this issue. The user agreement of the largest NFT marketplace today, OpenSea, states the following. Let's have a look. You grant us a worldwide, non-exclusive, royalty-free license to use, copy, modify, and display any content that you submit or post on the service for our current and future business purposes. This includes any digital file, art, or other material linked to or associated with any NFTs that are displayed on the service. OpenSea doesn't claim that this content gives OpenSea any ownership of the content. We are not saying we own it, we're just saying that we might use it and show it off a bit. And finally, you represent and warrant that you have or have obtained all rights, licenses, consents, permissions necessary to grant the rights granted herein for any content that you create, submit, post, promote, or display on the service. So to sum it up, the marketplace only tells us in their user agreement that they have the right to dispose of NFT and user content for organizing transactions on their platform. And they also say that it is the responsibility of the seller to ensure that the copyrights or exclusive rights to the content are not infringed. In fact, OpenSea, like many other online marketplaces and platforms, limits its liability for cases when the intellectual property right of a third party are infringed. It means that by purchasing a token, the buyer doesn't automatically acquire rights to the content contained in this NFT. This only happens if there is a direct contract between the buyer and the seller. For example, the account of the token seller on some NFT marketplace may have a link to his website or social media account. On that website or account, you will probably find the purchase terms. They might contain guarantees that the seller is the author of the content and what rights to the content will be transferred along with this NFT. To finally clarify how important all of this is, let's also take a look at the NBA Top Shot marketplace. NBA Top Shot is an online marketplace that sells NFTs of NBA highlights and is licensed by the NBA. If we read the terms on the platform, we will find restrictions that are imposed on the purchaser of such NBA tokens, or they also call them purchase moments. You agree that you are not allowed, without our express prior written consent, in each case, modify the art for your purchased moment in any way, use the art for your purchased moment to advertise, market or sell any third-party product or service, use the art for your purchased moment in movies, videos or any other forms of media except for your own personal, non-commercial use. You are not allowed to sell, distribute for commercial gain, or otherwise commercialize merchandise that includes, contains, or consists of the art for your purchased moment. Long story short, the NBA Highlight NFT buyer purchases only the token itself. He has the right to sell the token to anyone. Still, he has no right to derive any commercial benefit from the content itself. Okay, I think that is enough information for one video. Think it over. If you have any questions, please post in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. In the following videos, I will continue to talk about interesting legal aspects of NFT, cryptocurrencies, metaverses, and other areas of the IT industry. Subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified of my new videos. Give me a like if you find the content valuable and exciting. Thank you for watching. See you later and bye bye.